Hi everybody, it's Joy from the Community Connections Department here at Riverside, the Miami County Board of Developmental Disabilities. Today I thought we would make some banana bread. I saw on TV today that they said that banana bread was the most baked dessert during this stay-at-home order. So, but why not try to make some banana bread? So I've got everything measured out, and I'll tell you what I'm putting in there so you'll have the actual recipe as we go. But this is actually strawberry banana bread. I've never had it before. We'll see if it's any good. But we're going to start with 1 cup of sugar, and I've got everything measured out. So I got 1 cup of sugar, put in my bowl. 1 cup of mashed bananas. Now this thing is great. It's from Pampered Chef, and you can put stuff in there that's sticky like peanut butter. I put my bananas in here, and you just push it out, and that way you don't have to scrape it out. So you just push it all out, and all the bananas go in there. So it was 1 cup of mashed bananas, a half a cup of strawberry yogurt, a fourth of a cup of melted margarine. I've already melted it. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, measured out already in there. 2 eggs. Put ones back up here to hold my eggshells. 1, 2, and then we're going to put that under the mixer. We're going to mix that all up. We'll get that going good. And then there's only 2 more ingredients, and we're going to add those as soon as this is done mixing up. We heated our oven to 350. It's already heated, and I took a loaf pan, and I've already greased it, and it's all ready to go. So we get that all mixed up really good, and then we're going to add our last 2 ingredients, which is a cup of flour, and a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix that up with that. Woo, a little fast there. And it just says mix till moist, so it won't take very long. I'm going to scrape my edges. Mix that up a little bit again. Shut that, the dogs is barking outside. And I should mention that right before I started this, right before I got my stuff ready, I washed my hands for 20 seconds, is what they're saying, and you can tell if you sing the ABCs, and don't forget your final song, now I've washed my hands, or no, I've said my ABCs, and that's how you know you've washed your hands for 20 seconds. You always want to do that, especially now. You want to wash your hands even more, not just at cooking. You want to wash them as much as you can. Alright, all that's mixed up really good. So I'm going to put my pan over here, and we're going to pour it in here. Smells good. some extra chocolate chips left over from something else, so I was just going to sprinkle them and then just kind of swirl them in. The recipe didn't call for that, but chocolate chips make everything better, right? I probably should have mixed them in before I poured it in the thing, but I improvise a lot on a lot of recipes and how I do things. Not coming out very good here. I'm just going to mix those around a little bit. Like I said, anything I could add chocolate to, sure, it's going to make it better. All right, so now we're going to pop it in the oven for about 50 minutes. I'm going to set my timer because I get distracted. I don't know what I'm doing here. Cook time. All right, so in 50 minutes, we'll have a great dessert to have. So keep baking, washing those hands. Now I gotta do my dishes. But in 50 minutes, I'm going to enjoy what I made here, and hopefully it's good. See you guys. Bye.